ever sent a cold email and waited anxiously for a reply that never came? In this digital age, securing responses to cold emails can often feel like an uphill battle. It's not simply about the content within the email, but the way you tie it off, the call to action, or CTA. Recently, Lemlist shared some enlightening tips on crafting effective email CTAs. So let's plunge into this fascinating world of CTAs and see how they could revolutionize your cold emailing strategies. CTAs are a journey starting from the least effective to the most effective. Let's embark on this expedition together. First, we come across interest-based CTAs. These are personalized explorers, sparking curiosity with phrases like "sounds interesting" or "worth a peek." They might not lead to the highest response rate, but they're great for experimenting with different endings. Next, we stumble upon direct CTAs. These are straightforward navigators pointing directly towards the destination with commands like, let's book a meeting. However, they can be a bit too direct, especially in initial emails, and often work better in later stages of an email campaign. Finally, we reach the pinnacle, value-based CTAs. These are the trailblazers focusing on offering something irresistibly valuable. They transform your email from a mere request into a treasure map, leading the recipient to a solution that addresses their specific needs. The crown jewel of email endings, value-based CTAs, can turn your email from a mere request into a valuable proposition for the recipient. So how do you craft a winning value-based CTA? It's all about understanding your recipient's challenges and providing solutions. Start by identifying the problem. What's the pain point that your prospect is grappling with? Once you've got that figured out, brainstorm potential solutions. What can you offer that will address these issues? But here's the real game changer. Offer a solution for free. This could be a valuable resource, service, or even a custom solution that your recipient can't ignore. You're not just asking for a meeting here. You're offering a powerful lead magnet that speaks directly to the recipient's needs, showing your understanding of their challenges and positioning yourself as a problem solver. Instead of asking for a meeting, offer a valuable resource that speaks directly to the recipient's needs. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points about mastering the art of email CTAs. Personalization is the ace up your sleeve. By tailoring your CTA to the recipient's specific needs and interests, you're not just sending an email, you're starting a conversation. Next, always put value first. Offering something of value, such as a free resource, makes your email hard to ignore and elevates you from a mere sender to a problem solver. Finally, have patience and be ready to test different strategies. Finding the perfect CTA is a process, not a one-time event. Remember, it's not about getting a reply. It's about offering genuine value that compels the recipient to engage. Your CTA might just be the key to your success.